Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to consider circle geometry, and I'm going to teach you how to find angle PQS from this given diagram here on the board. If you look at this diagram carefully, you observe that angle PRQ equals angle PSQ. Reason being, angle on the same segments are equal. Then as such, we have here that angle PRQ equals angle PSQ equals 54 degrees, angle on the same segments. And this implies that angle S here is 54 degrees. Then S and R are equal. Then we will ask to find angle PQS. And Q and PQS is a triangle which is PQS. And sum of angle in the triangle is 180 degrees. And now you have gotten the values of the two angles, which is S and P, are now known. Then as such, angle PQS equals 180 degrees minus the sum of the two angles, which is 54 degrees plus 97 degrees. Therefore, angle PQS equals 180 degrees minus 54 degrees plus 97 degrees. That gives us 151 degrees. Therefore, we have that angle PQS equals 180 degrees minus 151 degrees equals 29 degrees, and this is the correct answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.